go. Let's see. Hey guys, I'm so cool. I'm so creative. I made a paper catnap. Catnap. Do you wanna sleep? Catnap. Do you wanna sleep? And I made a puppet. It's out of a water bottle. I made it from Fraggle Rock's tails, like Fraggle Rock characters. And it's like a dog with a monster, but it's cute. Do you wanna eat? I am starving. Are you starving? I am too. I'm gonna give him the fries I gave him. He ate it. Okay, 2 more. 2 more for him. I have a rock. I have other rocks. That one. Caramel extra cream. This boy. This boy. I tasteful. I want to roll up. You could throw out of his nose too. You want to say?